I am 19 years old, the youngest, if not one of the most youngest candidates here in King of the World Philippines. And my values are grounded in advocating and inspiring for the youth. And one thing I can share about myself and to all of you is that despite me being young, one of the things that I can offer to the table as a king is authenticity. Kasi if we become unique by being authentic, nagpapakatotoo tayo sa sarili natin. And by being honest to ourselves, we show the best version of ourselves. After all, the best version of ourselves is the one that God has given to us. So, I want to inspire the youth na keep being unique, keep being yourself, dahil ang hari hindi naaalala sa katawan, isip, o itsura, kundi sa puso at ugali.
Other than my physical appearance, I joined in this pageant as this is my first national pageant to be remembered not just by being an inspiration, but as someone who truly creates a meaningful change. And that is to promote not just my advocacy, but also my purpose. I have my advocacy, and it is about the mental health awareness and suicide prevention. It is deeply personal to me because I have lost my loved ones, my friends, and especially my father. That's why I want to use this platform to promote it and create awareness and open conversations and create spaces where people feel seen, heard, and valued. Lastly, I believe that being a king is not just about the power or the title. It is about the purpose, service, and responsibility. I want to use my voice to inspire and uplift others, not just on the stage, but even outside the stage. I want to show that even if I win the crown, I will still remain humble and grounded in my values and show that no matter how hard it is to get out of your comfort zone, you still have to challenge yourself because in this pageantry, it goes beyond physical appearance. It's about your purpose and leaving a meaningful impact to the people. Thank you.
I joined King of the World Philippines because I want to champion my advocacy, which is the protection of the Mesa watershed. And I believe that through King of the World Philippines, I can raise awareness about environmental protection. Thank you. Because because it plays a crucial role in advancing the United Nations developmental goals. Thank you so much.
That is one thing that I want to offer in this pageant is that my focus is centered on breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. There's a silent voice that everyone carries, and there's one favor of my favorite fighter is Paddy Pimblett. He said that I would rather hear my friend cry and argue rather than carries that body on my shoulder. And I thank you.
For me, as a King of the World this year, so my advocacy is for the youth empowerment, which is we can help them sa pamamagitan po ng personality development at sports. Kasi dito, malalayo po natin yung mga kabataan sa mga masasamang gawain. Kasi most of the youth is, diba, hindi na po nila alam yung path sa buhay nila. So, instead of that, we can help our youth